When it's time for replacement windows for your St. Albert home, your current windows will certainly let you know. Your windows play a critical role in keeping your home comfortable. When they're not in good shape, there are several warning signs that all homeowners should be aware of. One obvious sign is a constant draft. If you feel air coming in through your windows, even if they are closed, it could be seeping in. Another sign is increasing energy bills. When your windows fail, it can make your HVAC systems work harder as they allow hot or cold air in. If you notice fog or water droplets between your window panes, this is a clear sign of condensation, which could also mean your window seals have failed. Has your window ever gotten stuck or can't stay open? While inconvenient, it can also be a safety hazard for your home. This also includes other signs of physical damage like rotting sills or cracked frames. Finally, your windows play a significant role in blocking outside noise. If you hear your neighbor's backyard conversations or cars driving past, it could also mean that your windows aren't working properly. New windows can make your home comfortable, energy efficient, and even quiet. If you're ready to transform your St. Albert home, bring in the experts from Greenfox Windows and Doors. We've partnered with Canada's top brands that are all backed by our industry-leading warranty. If you're looking to replace your windows in your Alberta home, call us today to request a detailed quote.